Hello. So today I have my hair straightened. Isn't it pretty? Let's see what's new. So Saturday I went to the beach again, and I used sunscreen this time. I didn't get burned. Yay. Let's see. And Sunday I went to church, and then hung out with some people later. That was fun. Monday, what did I do? Saturday night, I rented the movie The Whackness with Josh Peck from Drake and Josh, Ben Kingsley, Mary-Kate Olsen. It is awesome. It's really good. I love that movie. It's definitely one of my favorites. And then yesterday, I went to school, turned in one of my units for driver's ed. I'm in the middle of taking that. It's a lot of fun. Fun. It's pretty easy so far. Should I keep looking at myself in the mirror? Okay. I'm only being a little mean. No. Let's see. And then let's see. Yeah. So I went to school, and I found out that I will be done getting my high school diploma. I can finish by Thanksgiving, which I'm really excited for because in December I'm moving. Not too far away, just a little bit. Let's see. So yeah, I've had a pretty awesome week. I like it. And it's great because I get to go to the beach like every weekend. And I love it. Oh, I remember what I did on Monday. So my mom's tire just like, I don't know what happened to it. Like part of it broke off or something, and I had to get it replaced. So I ride my bike down to where she's at, and I'd never changed the tire before, so I don't know how, but she knew how, and she was going to tell me what to do. She just needed my strength. And so I get down there, and it is a bazillion degrees out. So hot out. And so I take the wrench thingy, and I put it on the thing, and for the life, it's not gripping the bolt things on the tire. But like we put the thing, I don't know all the terms. Don't laugh. Don't laugh at me. Okay, you can laugh at me. So basically, we couldn't get it off, and we had to call a tow truck and just to use their tool, and it cost like $65. So that was my Monday. Hope you have an awesome week, and I will see you next week.